everyone, Scott here with the Flamethrower Grill. I got an avocado egg hack for you today. That's right, this is going to be awesome. We just got a large avocado here. It's ripe, it's ready to go. We're just going to go cut into this thing and split it in half. Alright, just cut it around that seed. Give it a little pop and boom, there we go. Let's get rid of the seed. Spin it out of there, get it in the garbage. Alright, check this out. What we're going to do is we're going to take this avocado, spoon, we're going to just dig it out a little bit. I don't like to take too much out, but we need to make this a little larger than normal. Okay, that's about right. Okay, let's do this one here. Do the same thing. And voila, that should be good. Alright, perfect. We're going to take a little salt, throw it in that hole a little bit. Alright, a little pepper. Get it in that hole. And you'll see why in a second. Alright, I'm just focusing on the hole itself. Okay? Alright, now what we're going to do is I want to set these on my little pan here. And I'm pushing down on them a little bit to kind of give them a flat bottom to see if they'll stay level. It looks like they mostly will. If not, you can take some aluminum foil and make little edges for them so they don't roll over on you. Okay? And I'm going to prop this one up here a little bit because it's on an angle. I want them as level as possible because of the egg. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and crack these eggs. Try not to break the yolks. And voila. And we ran over there a little bit. Okay. And the same thing here. I'm using large eggs. You know, maybe a medium egg might be a little better. Or you can dig out the hole in these a little bit deeper. And there we go. We ran over a little bit. That's all right. Let me grab a napkin here, wipe my hands off. Okay, so very good. We've got the egg in there. Now we're going to take some salt. Once again, do the top of the egg a little bit. A little pepper on there. All right. Let's go ahead and pepper them up real good. Awesome. Now, what we're going to do now is put these in the oven for about 15 minutes, give or take, at about a 4 1/4, 425. You can go 450, 400, 425, something like that. It's going to take about 15 minutes. But what you want to do is keep an eye on your egg. You know, look through the window. When this gets totally white, you're done. But about 15 minutes. It could take as long as 20. Let's get these in the oven and I'll see you in a minute. All right, folks, here we go. The finished product. Or is it finished? No, it's not. Let's spice this up a little bit. A little parsley. You can use cilantro or anything. It makes it look a little nicer. But here we go. My favorite. We're going to grab some bacon. We're going to sprinkle some bacon on here, all right? Let's get some bacon on there. Absolutely. Everything's better with bacon. All right. So let's get some bacon on there. No breakfast is complete without bacon, right? And oh yeah, one of my favorites. We're going to do a little feta cheese. Okay? So go ahead and sprinkle that on there, a little feta cheese. Okay? And there you go. Just like that, you can serve it. And when you cook this, this is what you want. You want to be able to dig into this thing and just kind of stir it up like a mashed potato. Just kind of get in there, dig around, get some of that avocado mixed up in there. But you can see, look, this yolk is nice and soft. All right? And we're just going to get in there and dig in. Oh my, that's fantastic. That's a great recipe. But I got something a little more for you. One other version of this. Check this out. I've got a piece of toast here. And we're going to take this other avocado. Now I'm going to scoop it out. I should use probably a spoon. But I'm just going to dump this right here on this toast. Okay. All right. Now, I'm going to take my knife and we're going to make ourselves a little avocado and egg toast with some bacon. Might as well throw these scraps on there. Bacon, feta cheese, avocado toast. Check that out. It looks a little messy, but trust me, folks, it's amazing. Check that out. Give it a try. It's a great little snack, great little breakfast. You know, easy to do. Literally takes about a minute or so to prepare, and then 15, 18, maybe 20 minutes in the oven, depending. And just keep an eye on that egg. And once you see it is all white and it starts to puff up on you, it's pretty much done. Hope you enjoy.